Diabetes tips and tricks you can use. It is never good news to hear about the possibility of diabetes or attempt to live a normal life after you have developed the condition. There are actually some pretty simple things that can be done each day that are known to lower your chances for diabetes and to help you live a healthier life. If you want to eat healthier to help overcome your diabetes, but you just can't stomach fish without some pops of flavor on it, try capers. They're like olives in their flavor, but smaller and zestier. You can sprinkle them on any type of fish. I like to also add some slices of Spanish onion, and they take the place of sauce. Hey there, diabetics. Have you ever thought of turning your burger inside out? Well, not exactly, but putting the lettuce on the outside will get rid of that carbohydrate-laced bun and increase the amount of vegetables you're eating. Replace the hamburger with a lentil patty for an even healthier treat. Eating fresh, non-processed foods is an easy way for a diabetic to keep his or her weight in check and blood sugar stable. By shopping only the outside aisles of the grocery store, you will find you're not exposed to the processed sugary or carbohydrate-laden treats that can lead to temptation. If you have diabetes and also happen to have a sweet tooth, then do not despair. Many of the candies and treats that you enjoy so much have sugar-free alternatives on the market. This way you can satisfy your cravings without sacrificing or putting your health at great risk. If you follow all or some of these helpful tips, you will reduce your body's likelihood of developing diabetes and living through years of intense medical treatment, ongoing pain, and drastic changes to your diet. They also make your body generally healthier, which is something everyone should strive for, regardless of their condition. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.